But totally relying on upgrading our knowledge through courses and degrees is not the only way to upgrade your knowledge. In fact, this lockdown and this social distancing itself is a very, very big change. This whole thing is going to bring a very big change in the system, and the ones who will see this change first are going to be the leaders. In 90s used to do this, and now see what has happened to this generation. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about opportunity and luck. In my last video, I had discussed that high achievers are able to see the same things with a new mindset, with a new perspective, and are able to relate to the new opportunities and take action according to it. I also discussed that the world is changing very rapidly, and we need to develop a new perspective and act according to the changing world. That these changes that are happening in this world, these changes are very, very subtle. If you feel that you will immediately do a course, a degree course, or a certificate course to understand these changes, then let me tell you, there is no certificate course to make you understand these changes because they are so new. That's why the people who are able to see these changes first, the people who notice these changes first, are called the high achievers. So what stops us from being the first one to see these changes? So today in this video, I'm going to discuss that what are those things that stops us from seeing these subtle changes that are happening all around us in different fields. Number one thing that stops us from understanding these changes is ignorance. While these subtle changes are happening, we are too busy discussing and chatting on WhatsApp groups and posting selfies and random things on social media and researching on news channels. So these are the things that stops us. We are not able to see the changes because we are very, 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 very busy. After a long day at work, we put in all our time into doing these random things. Second point is arrogance. After achieving certain position in society, we start to feel that we know the best. So we try to ignore the new changes, and we don't want to accept anything new because we are too reluctant. And the third reason is that we are very, very busy criticizing the world. Instead of understanding these subtle changes, we start criticizing these new things. If you remember, when these youngsters were busy on social media, there were these videos circulating criticizing them that in 90s used to do this, and now see what has happened to this generation and what are they doing. If you remember those videos, that during that time we were busy criticizing the younger generation, while these youngsters, they saw the changes and they easily embraced these new changes. And now who are these youngsters? They are people like PewDiePie, they are people like Lily Singh, Ali A. So the whole thing is this, that while we are busy criticizing, these high achievers are immediately able to see what are the new opportunities, and they take action accordingly. But what do others do? Others wait for the most high-end course to launch in the market, and then they wait to upgrade their knowledge. That's why I'm saying the courses come later. High achievers can see things even before the course comes in the market. These high achievers, they are seeing opportunities. They're not waiting for any course. They're not waiting for any school, any college to teach them that these are the changes and this is how the future will be. Gary Vee didn't go to any such college that taught him about social media and how we will be using social media. He has been talking about it since a long, long time. So these are the high achievers. They don't wait for any degree or certificate. While the world is criticizing these new subtle changes, these people like PewDiePie, Gary Vee, Lily Singh, these are the people who saw the changes. But totally relying on upgrading our knowledge through courses and degrees is not the only way to upgrade your knowledge. You can upgrade your knowledge even before the course is launched anywhere. And you can learn it from the examples of these people. Like we are so dependent on these degrees, certificates, and that we have got used to being spoon fed. We have got used to of being told what to do, how to do. So we keep waiting for these courses and degrees and to upgrade our knowledge. But the real knowledge is beyond this. The real knowledge is your ability to be able to see these subtle changes on your own without being told by any college or any professor. So try to train your mind to see how the world is changing instead of criticizing the world, instead of feeling that you know everything and the way you are doing things is the best way of doing it. Instead of being so ignorant and being so busy on the WhatsApp chat groups discussing politics and random things, try and focus on the changes, because everything that is happening around us is indicating some kind of change. And in fact, this lockdown and this social distancing itself is a very, very big change. This whole thing is going to bring a very big change in the system, and the ones who will see this change first are going to be the leaders. So be the first one. Don't wait for any crash course to happen after this social distancing, that you will say, okay, this is the latest course that I want to do now. Be the first one to see what you can do, how you can make a difference, how you can uh, understand from this current situation, and come out as a leader in a particular field, trying to do something so amazing that the world looks up to you, that the world says, okay, I want to make a course, a degree for this particular thing, this and so be so inspirational that the courses and degrees are based on what you know. So we are so dependent on these degrees and courses that we feel that, okay, if we know this, then it's the best thing. But when you know something and the courses and degrees are based on the knowledge that you discovered on your own, don't you think it's going to be very fascinating to have a course because you discover something so amazing that everybody around the world wants to learn it today? So try to understand how these leaders think and how these leaders are trying to see this changing world in a whole new way. And don't just depend on these courses and degrees. These courses and degrees are important. They are there to keep you safe and secure. But if you want to be the leader, you cannot only depend on these courses and degrees. So your activity for today is just take any leader, say Richard Branson, read their biography. And in fact, I have read Richard Branson's biography, and it's fantastic. And the way he was seeing the world, the way he was seeing the changing world is so beautiful and so unique. You should read the autobiographies of these leaders to understand how they think and how they see the world. And this is a very good practice for you to be able to relate to the changing world the way these leaders do. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And do share it with your friends if you feel that it's going to help them as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day.